Hello everyone, this is Edwin once again. Thanks for dropping by. I hope that you will stick around until the end of this video. And if you are interested to build an AR15, I will be unboxing my LPK. As you can see here, it's a lower parts kit. It is a Anderson brand, made in the US of A. Build your own. It's a quality brand. Alright, so that you can use this video as a reference or guide in building the lower part kits, the AR15 receiver. So let's get started. As you can see here, here are the guide lists. There's a bolt catch. As I unbox the box, I will be showing what the parts look like and the name of that parts. We started here. This is the lower parts kit, and as you can see, I'm gonna open now. Okay, and here are the lists: bolt catch, plunger, bolt catch, roll pin, bolt catch, spring. So this I kind of divide the parts so that in order for you to be guided, you know, and use this video as a reference and a guide. All right, so let's get started. Okay, so this is very obvious, right? This is a pistol grip. Yeah, pistol grip. So this is the pistol grip. So we check that pistol grip. Okay. All right, let's see here. It has two section. Okay. So I'm gonna, this is very obvious. This is a pistol grip. Okay, I'm gonna open this. Let's see here. Let's just get the start with the bolt catch. Okay, I'm gonna open this. So as you can see here, very easy, right? This is a bolt catch. That's a bolt catch, right? So we're gonna check that. And bolt plunger, where's the bolt plunger? Here it is, the bolt plunger. So very easy, come on. I need a twister. Okay. Yep. Yeah, bolt plunger, bolt catch plunger. Okay, obviously this is the bolt roll pin, this one. Okay, bolt roll pin, bolt catch roll pin. Check. And bolt spring, this one. So this one, the small one. All right, this one. Yeah. All right, that's a bolt group, bolt cut spring. Okay, so we now done with the 4 item. Okay, and this one is the bumper retainer. This one, bumper retainer. Bumper retainer. Check. And the bumper retainer spring, obviously this one. Okay. Yep. All right. So, you know, the bolt catch. Bolt catch. All right. Roll pin, plunger, spring, bumper retainer, and so we done the 4 and 2. So we check that, and let's move on to the okay, where is that? Let's see here. This is the called the disconnect. This one, disconnect. All right, it's called the disconnect. All right, and disconnect spring. It's here. Spring, disconnect spring. All right. Okay, stainless steel hammer. So this one, stainless steel hammer. Yep. All right. Okay, and of course, obviously, the trigger, stainless steel trigger. Okay, this one, trigger. Okay. Oop. The trigger guard. How do you know it's a trigger guard? All right. Okay. Whoop. Ah, yes. So, what's that? There. That's the... Okay. These two hammer pin. This two hammer pin. And that's a hammer pin and trigger pin. The same size. All right. Yeah. All right. It's a stainless steel trigger. This one. And hammer spring. Hammer spring. Where's the hammer spring? This one is the hammer spring. Okay, where's the triggers? Triggers. This is a trigger spring and hammer spring. All right, hammer spring and trigger. So we done that. We are done that. Okay. Nope. Ano ba to? Ganun. Yep. So we are done that. We are done with that. Okay. Good. Alright. So we are done with the bolts, the bopper, and the trigger group. 8 plus 2 is 10, it's 14. Okay, now we go to the magazine catch. Magazine catch. This one. So magazine catch is where this one is the magazine catch. Okay, magazine catch. Magazine catch button, this one. And spring. Magazine catch spring. Magazine catch spring. Okay, pistol grip, pistol washer, this one. Pistol grip lock washer. And this one. Pistol grip screw. Alright. Now the safety selector. Safety selector. Safety selector detent. This one. This one. Safety selector detent spring. This one. Alright. Now pivot pin. Pivot pin is this one. Pivot detent, this one. And pivot detent spring, this one. Takedown pin, this one. Takedown detent and takedown detent spring, this one. Trigger guard and trigger roll pin. That's it. This is the complete build your own. Okay, and that's the total. So if you add that, if you add all the parts, it's gonna be here. Let's see here. It's gonna be 31 parts. 4 2 8 3 3 3 3 3 3 plus 2, 31. And if you add this, the lower receiver, this one, it's gonna be 32, right? And if you add this one with a complete buttstock and the magazine, it's gonna be, all in all, it's 39 pieces. So there's a castle nut here, as you can see here, castle nut, end plate, extension tube, it's inside, bopper, it's inside, and bopper spring, it's inside. It's a complete bopper stick. This brand is UTG bro, made in USA. Alright, thanks for watching. I hope you like the video and use as a reference point. Stay safe, stay strong, God bless. Bye.